10 doctor-approved Ozempic tips that actually make you lose weight. You've been taking Ozempic, but the number on the scale hasn't moved an inch? You're not alone. Thousands start full of hope, and a few weeks later, the excitement fades. The appetite is gone, but somehow the fat stays. And here's the worst part. Most people make the same mistake right at this point, and they don't even realize it. In this video, you will learn 10 doctor-approved strategies that make Ozempic truly work, not just for temporary weight loss, but to help your body find real balance again. Stay until the very end, because tip number 7 has been the turning point for so many patients, and almost nobody talks about it. And hey, if you like practical, science-backed health hacks, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I post new videos every week that actually work. So many believe Ozempic is the easy fix. One shot, a few weeks, and the pounds just melt away. But that's not how it works. Ozempic is a tool, not a miracle. And like any tool, if you use it the wrong way, it won't do much. I've seen this countless times in clinics. People drop weight quickly at first, then suddenly hit a wall. Some cut calories too hard and lose energy. Others stop eating enough protein and lose muscle instead of fat. And many just wait for a miracle while their metabolism slows down more and more. The result? Frustration, self-doubt, that nagging thought. Why does it work for everyone else but not for me? But believe me, it's not your fault. It's the system. And once you understand how your body actually responds to Ozempic, you'll never feel lost again. The goal isn't just to inject and wait. It has to train your body to burn fat efficiently instead of just surviving on fewer calories. These 10 evidence-based strategies will help you activate Ozempic's real biological potential rather than accidentally shutting it down. So let's start with the foundation. Tip 1. Tip 1. Eat enough protein. Most Ozempic users don't. Because appetite drops, they simply eat less, including less protein. But protein is your metabolism's engine. Without enough of it, your body burns muscle for fuel, and when muscle goes down, fat loss slows dramatically. Aim for 1.2–1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Good options: eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, lentils, Greek yogurt. If eating feels like a chore, use a simple protein shake or smoothie. Even small adjustments keep your metabolism running strong and your body firm, not flabby. Tip 2. Drink more water than you think you need. Ozempic slows down digestion, which also slows detoxification. Without enough fluids, you'll feel bloated, tired, and sluggish, and your body may even mistake thirst for hunger. Drink at least 2.53 liters of water daily. A glass before every meal reduces cravings and stabilizes blood sugar. Add lemon juice or a pinch of sea salt for better hydration. Avoid sodas and juices. They spike blood sugar and undo the effect. Tip 3. Move, but do it smart. Exercise isn't mandatory. It's a multiplier. You don't need to go hard. You just need to stay consistent. A 10-minute walk after meals lowers blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. That's when Ozempic works at its best. If you can, add light resistance training twice a week. You'll protect muscle, burn more calories at rest, and feel more confident. Remember, it's not perfection that gets results, it's repetition. One of my clients lost 18 pounds in 3 months just by walking after meals. No gym required. Tip 4. Eat regularly, but not constantly. A big mistake. Grazing all day. With Ozempic, your hunger cues change, so use that to your advantage. Stick to 3 intentional meals a day and let your insulin drop in between. That's when your body switches from storing to burning fat. If you enjoy intermittent fasting, start with a 12-12 window. 12 hours of eating, 12 hours fasting. It's simple, sustainable, and works beautifully with Ozempic's appetite control. Tip 5. Sleep is your fat-burning weapon. People underestimate it, but poor sleep can completely block weight loss. Lack of rest raises cortisol, the stress hormone that locks in belly fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Turn off screens an hour before bed, dim the lights, and keep a regular sleep schedule. Quality sleep restores your hormones, resets hunger signals, and makes Ozempic twice as effective. Many notice within a week more energy, better focus, and finally, progress again. Tip 6. Fix your gut. Your gut is your silent partner in fat loss. If digestion is sluggish, metabolism is sluggish. Load up on fiber, chia seeds, oats, veggies, whole grains. A glass of warm water with lemon each morning wakes up digestion and detox pathways. Gut health also influences hunger hormones, cravings, and mood, things Ozempic can amplify. A balanced gut means smoother progress and fewer side effects. Tip 7. The hidden booster, omega-3 fatty acids. This one changes everything. Omega-3s from salmon, mackerel, flax, or walnuts reduce inflammation and boost insulin sensitivity. If you rarely eat fish, consider a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Clinical studies show people with enough omega-3 lose more fat while on Ozempic and feel better doing it. Bonus, your skin glows, your energy rises, and cravings drop dramatically. Tip 8. Measure the right progress. Stop obsessing over the scale. Weight alone doesn't tell the story. Measure your waist, take weekly photos, track your mood, your sleep, and your energy. Progress is more than numbers. It's how your body feels and functions. Seeing small wins keeps motivation alive. Tip 9. Patience is your greatest power. Most people quit too early. Ozempic isn't a sprint, it's a transformation. Your body is learning, healing, and rebuilding. The first pounds are often water, then fat, then the real metabolic shift begins. Plateaus don't mean failure, they mean adaptation. Stay patient. Breakthroughs always follow stillness. Tip 10. Work with your doctor, not against them. Ozempic is a prescription medication, not a lifestyle toy. If you experience side effects, dizziness, or fast weight loss, talk to your doctor. Adjusting your dosage or meal timing can make all the difference. A good doctor is your co-pilot, not your critic. Trust the process and stay honest about how you feel. Bonus: 2 expert hacks for faster progress. Hack 1. Mineral check. Magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D3 drive fat metabolism. Deficiency slows results dramatically. Ask your doctor to test your levels. It's often the missing piece. Hack 2. Mindset reset. Weight loss is 80% mental. Stop chasing perfection. It's about consistency, not control. If you slip, get back up. Every step still counts. Forgive yourself, refocus, and keep moving forward. Remember, success isn't built on motivation. It's built on momentum. Final thoughts and coffee teaser. If you apply even one of these tips, you'll feel your body shift. More energy, fewer cravings, steadier blood sugar, and slowly but surely the fat will melt. But remember, Ozempic alone isn't the game changer. You are. You decide how your body responds, with food, sleep, patience, and awareness. Stay consistent, trust the process, and you'll notice your body finally working with you, not against you. And now, here's what almost nobody knows. In the next video, I'll show you the secret coffee trick that makes belly fat melt almost instantly. A natural booster that many doctors know, but few people actually use. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and don't miss the next video. It might just change how you burn fat forever.